We're here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. This barn is being taken down. This part of the farm is being sold for development. This barn has been up about 15 years. It's being taken down. It's going to be reassembled in Oxville or Bedminster Township. It's going to be going to the Goose Farm. What they're doing is they're taking the roof off, the trusses off in sections so that it can be reassembled at the new site.
Are you saving? Take a picture and then you have to save each one or else it's automatically
hit download.
Okay, yeah.
So I get that.
Each phone's a little bit different.
Yeah.
Ours just hit save. The download will be the same.
Yeah, I couldn't find save. I seen download and I said, I think that's the right terminology.
We're going to get your picture on this soon. Building has some rod in it. On this farm and other farms that we have in the area, we're still staying in business, but part of this farm is being used for development. So if you need trees and shrubs, we've got thousands of them here, and we're going to be selling off all these trees in the back because they're going to be going as part of the development. So we'll have some cheap trees out here for people. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for trees and shrubs. Our farm is being dismantled a little bit by little bit, but we're still going to stay in business. We're just selling off some ground. We're in Bucks County and we deliver and plant our trees all over the East Coast. We ship by tractor trailer trucks, UPS, and by our own trucks. You can also pick up. So if you want trees cheap, we've got them. At Highland Hill Farm, we have a lot of different kinds of trees for you. We have both deciduous and evergreen. Some of the spruces that we have are like Colorado blue spruce, Norway spruce, white spruce, Serbian, Black Hill spruce, black spruce. We also have some firs, such as Fraser, Balsam, Douglas, and Concolor. Most of these are in seedling or transplants. We do have larger trees such as white pine, Norway spruce. We also sell a whole range of arborvitaes in many different sizes, from transplants up to large trees. The trees that we sell are both bare root and balled and burlapped and potted. We have thousands of them that we grow. We also have southwestern white pine, and we are noted for our green giant arborvitaes and Leland cypresses. We also have hemlocks up to 10 to 12 foot high, along with redwoods. We can also supply you with some bald cypress, larch, eastern red cedar. In the way of shrubs, we have arrowwood viburnums, bayberry, blackhaw viburnums, a whole range of viburnums, dogwoods, red, twig, silky dogwoods, elderberries. We also have forsythia, common lilacs, Japanese lilacs, Peking lilacs. We also have nannyberry, ninebark, and things such as Russian olive, which some people think is invasive. But we do sell a wide range of trees and shrubs, including winterberry holly. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 as we do deliver and plant.